Hello guys, and welcome to March's Passive Income Report. For me, passive income is a source of income that you don't actively work for. This makes it a very nice source of income to have. If you'd like to see my previous passive income reports, I will leave a link to the playlist in the description below. I like to split my passive income down into a few source categories. The first category is RewardGateway. RewardGateway is a website that allows you to get a discount at most of the big UK retailers. I tend to mainly use it for grocery shopping. It gives me a 4% discount at the supermarket I use most often. In March, I received £5.60 from RewardGateway. This is a little bit less than the £8.25 I got last month, but I just didn't need as much shopping this month. The next category for me is bank interest. Bank interest is not a very large source of passive income for me. Banks in the UK just don't pay much interest on the money you hold in them these days. I mainly use this bank account to hold my emergency fund, but some direct debits do also come out of this account which pay some cash back. I received £2.38 in March. This was very similar to last month's total of £2.42. To be honest, I don't see this varying too much throughout the whole year. My third category is Hargreaves Landsown. This category is currently my largest and most reliable source of passive income. In March, I had 7 companies that paid a dividend into this account. I had 2 bond ETFs, Intel, Microsoft, Bank of America, Exxon and McDonald's. They paid me a total of £91.09 for March. This was the largest amount so far this year for this category. The fourth category is Freetrade. Freetrade is a very new and very small account for me currently. In fact, it's so new I didn't expect any dividends at all this month from this account. All I did this month was add a small amount to this account and then split it into 25 positions. However, I actually had 3 companies pay a dividend while I was setting up these positions. I received dividends from United Health, Home Depot and Broadcom. So the total amount for Freetrade for March was 9p. If you'd like to see more on my Freetrade portfolio, I am doing a video series on it. This is where I take a brand new account and add the maximum I can each year to it. I will leave a link down below to the series if you're interested in watching it. And my final category is Others. In my Others category this month was also another American Express offer. This time, American Express were offering 10% off anything you spent at Morrison's. Now, as I don't really use Morrison's, I had to find a different way that I could use this great offer. So I decided to buy a mix of Apple and Amazon gift cards. I spent nearly £800 on gift cards at Morrison's, which gave me a total of £78 for Others. A little bit less than last month, but I'm still happy to get something from the Others category. So my total passive income for March was £177.16. A very nice amount. And if we look back over the last 3 months, it was actually my best month so far. I hope you enjoyed this quick little update. If you did, please leave a comment and a like down below. See you in the next one. Bye.